Hello, this is I'm Miguel Rodriguez, and this is my project 8 for improve your app. First of all, I would like to say that I use these colors because it seems like very fancy colors, good for mobile banking. I have seen a lot of mobile banking with red and white, so I thought probably could be a good color. But I know they're not match the blue with the red or something. But for the purpose of this project, I'm using it. So another thing is the logo. I just create a logo like any logo for the purpose of this app. And so please don't be bad with me comparing the logo. It's a really bad logo. But anyways, I'm not using any patterns for the colors, and I really didn't have too much time to polish and look for patterns. So okay, all right, let's start. And here I improved my app, putting the logo and colors, and is for the field text of I got helper, so it can remember the username and all that. So when we go to the second screen for the create user, I use the tips to format the entry and validate that the user never gonna do it wrong. So for this case, I'm saying that all users, all account numbers are gonna be 9 digit. So and the social security is validated too. And as you can see, the email is also got a tips how it needs to be. And the second thing I'm doing here is I got some text fields disabled. So once first he has to fill this, so this can be uh, activated or enabled. So let's go for the next screen. This the same thing. As you can see, the fields are disabled. So first have to go for with the question one. When he answers the question one, goes to the second question and sequentially to when get the three questions and the three answers. So let's continue here for the next screen. Here and make the logo and with the colors on it. And also I add, before I have like text only, I add three buttons. One for the transfer, one for the deposit, and one for the locator branch. So that looks better like that, and I think is more appropriate for the app. So as you can see, I'm working with a tablet right now. So we're gonna go to the next one, and I see the same thing, the field text, and this is for the menu here. What are the options that we have? So it looks a little bit polished to me. So let's go to the next one, and here we got the same thing. Tips for the text fields, and here you can see how we are on transfer. The disabled button, the button is disabled, so you cannot press that button. So you can go to any other option less than this one. So when you see that, you see it's made for the purpose that the user never get an error or make a mistake during the launch of the app. So next screen, same thing, tips for the router number, account number, and email. And as you can see, this is for a different account. The other was for the for the same bank. Here's the same bank, and here's a different account. So let's continue it with this one here. This is for the statements. As you can see, statement reflects the month with transaction for that month. You can, and I add one button here to go back to summary. The other that didn't have it because we were in summary. So if we're here, we can press here to go back to the summary screen. So the next one is gonna be for the locate a branch. We want to locate a branch. When you click on locate a branch here, they're gonna change to the zip code and whatever, and you can type whatever city or zip code is and press enter, and I'm gonna locate the city or the branch for that particular city. And this is when you press the settings, you get two buttons for outlet image and chain address. This is pretty much for tablet. You can see I do the same thing, but in another way for the phone. And this is my main screen when you do that, and you will see that there is the same thing for the phone. You know, disable fields, tips for the field text, and pretty much the same colors because it's appropriate. It reflects the same color for the bank, and you can see pretty much work the same. And here's the settings. And that's it. That's what I got on my final project. I hope you like it, and thank you for being part of my education here on Full Sail University.